Hello, welcome to Study Buddy channel. Today we are going to talk about why blue is so rare in nature. Blue is a very prominent color on Earth. But when it comes to nature, blue is very rare. Less than 1 in 10 plants have blue flowers and far fewer animals are blue. So why is that? Part of the reason is that there isn't really a true blue color or pigment in nature, and both plants and animals have to perform tricks of the light to appear blue. For plants, blue is achieved by mixing naturally occurring pigments. Although blue flowers are rare in plants, almost no plant has blue leaves, except a handful of plants found on the floor of tropical rainforests. The main reason for this has to do with the physics of light. Pigments appear the color of the light they reflect. The most common plant pigment is green chlorophyll, so plants appear green because chlorophyll doesn't absorb, but rather reflects, green light. Plants however like blue light as it has more energy than any other light in the visible spectrum. Thus, they rarely reflect it, and we can't see it. In case of animals, many pigments in animals come from the food they eat. So, flamingos are pink because of the dye they get from eating their favorite food, shrimp, and the golden color of goldfish comes from their food. If you were to eat a whole lot of carrots, your skin could take on an orange tinge. But as we heard above, since there is no true blue pigment in plants, animals can't turn blue through food. But there are shiny blue butterflies, peacocks, berries, and a few other animals with rich blue hues. Perhaps you are thinking blueberries are everywhere, and they are quite common. They are technically deep purple, not blue, and their color comes from the purple anthocyanin compound. So how do the true blue plants, animals, and minerals get their color if there is no actual blue compound? It's all in how these organisms are built and how light bounces off these structures. It's actually called structural color. Light hits special structures on the cell, wing, or other part of an organism that cause the wavelengths to bounce a certain way in the very short wavelength way that results in the color blued. I know this is a little bit complex, but there are several ways this can happen, and scientists are studying these blue plants and animals to understand it. If you found the video a little bit value-adding, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. That helps a lot.